Hey guys, welcome back to AMA, and today I just want to run you through a program that I've stumbled upon, and it's actually not a new program. It's something that I actually dived into when I started my career in online marketing. And the program has got really good, and I really recommend for folks looking at starting or taking a plunge into the online world. It's important that you get into a program where you have a good community and you have a good mentor to guide you through and who's not really trying to scam you and make money off you. And I couldn't think of a community better than this. So the community I'm going to talk about right now, I'm going to dive into it. But before I dive into it, they're running a special boot camp right now, and they're actually paying you to get trained. It's ridiculous, right? And paying you a good amount. I mean, about 20 USD. So you read that right. You're getting paid to get trained. I don't think anybody in their right mind would really believe this, but trust me, you're getting paid to get trained. It's crazy. And it's the easiest $20 you're gonna make online. It doesn't get simpler than this. Now, what do you need to get started? First things first, you're gonna need a good internet connection because it's training and there's a lot of live videos that you need to see and there's a lot of stream videos that you need to look at, high definition videos. So a good internet connection is required. The next thing you need is a Facebook ID because this helps you leverage the power of Facebook, helps you understand that your Facebook profile is actually a Rolodex for you to do business, and it helps you connect with people, like-minded people just like yourself, to make money online. And then to get into this whole thing, you need an invite. If you want to invite in this group bootcamp, just hit me up. I'm going to leave the link in this video. So it's a free link. You don't have to pay anything to get into the program. It's a bootcamp, and it's up to you. You get a good amount of training material, and you have a period of close to about 12 to 14 days where you need to finish the training. You get a certificate that you are an official, well trained in the program that they're offering you, and you get your $20. It's as simple as that. Now, what do you get with the program? You get an entry into a growing community of over 80K online entrepreneurs. I mean, how cool is that? You get a first-hand interaction with them. Then, you get free access to this game changer training. Now, I don't want to, beat around the bush too much. Just to show you how cool this program actually is, I'm going to show you a live thing. The program I'm talking about is called OLSP, and I'm going to dive into it right now for you to see, for you to understand, how cool the program actually is. So when you log into the program to the link that I'm going to leave in this video, you'll get a dashboard, and they actually reward you for everything that you do, so that you see it's actually a legit program. I'm not going to dive into all these things right now over here, but I just wanted to show you that how the trainings look, so you understand what I'm talking about. You actually get paid for it. Go. You click on the trainings. It shows you the trainings that you have, and then you hit into this area called the bootcamp area. I did this program some time back, and I've actually started going into it more actively now, and I started as of today, and I thought I should share it with you. So I did about 9 units today, and I've actually completed 60% of my training. So I'm all well on my way to get my certificate. So my recommendation is, if you're worried about how you're going to make your online hustle and keep it running, and you're really worried about that there are too many scamsters available online, hit the link below. This is your easiest $20 you're going to make, and you're not going to put any money in it. The only investment you have is your time, is probably your internet connection to some extent, and instead of investing and using your precious time, or instead of looking at Facebook and checking out your friends' profiles and saying what they're doing, you're going to actually use Facebook to leverage it to help you understand how you could make money online. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to leave you right now. Please do hit the like button if you found some value out here. And if you think you have friends or acquaintances who are looking at making quick bucks online, please hit the share button. Cheers to the next video.